Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. We are doing the outside windows, and we are in Dr. Phillips. And this condo is awesome, the view is fantastic, but the problem that this condo has is a lot of, it's not mosquitoes, but some flies. Usually that happens when you live in front of the beautiful lake. Sandra is cleaning the edges inside, and Carlos is cleaning the outside windows. It's a little bit high. Let's see. Yeah, it's in the second floor, and this is the garage. We are using our system, Anger purified water with pole hose and a ladder because it was really high. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can contact me at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching.